If someone is finding it difficult to give love, receive love, find love, 99% chances are a subconscious programming deep down inside is, I am not worthy of love. And that could have been created maybe when you are just 4-year-old and you saw your mom loving your elder brother more, and somehow unknowingly, it might not even be true. Child created an impression that I am not worthy of love. My mom loves my brother more. And variety of other situations. You might turn 60, 70, but you will still feel that void in the area of love. Guess what? The subconscious programmings can be cleared completely and you can start afresh.